This AI tool literally sits in your meetings and remembers everything for you. It records, transcribes, and turns conversations into clean notes and tasks. This is Circleback AI, and in this video, I'll show you how Circleback actually performs during real meetings so that you can separate fact from hype. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Alright, let's get into the setup. First, head over to Circleback, sign up with your email, and connect your calendar. Circleback works with both Google and Microsoft Calendar, so just pick the one you're already using. This step is important because it tells Circleback which meetings are coming up and when it should be ready. Once that's connected, Circleback immediately starts pulling in your upcoming meetings. After that, you'll see the meeting configuration settings. This is where you decide how hands-off you want Circleback to be. You can let it join every meeting automatically, limit it to external meetings, pick specific ones yourself, or turn auto-joining off completely. If you're just getting started, I'd recommend choosing either external meetings only or manual selection. That way, Circleback doesn't jump into everything by default, and you stay in control. Now let's talk about recording meetings, because this is where Circleback starts feeling really useful. Circleback works with pretty much every major meeting platform. If you're on Zoom, it joins as a participant and records directly. Same thing with Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and most other video platforms. And it's not limited to live meetings either. If you already have a recorded call from last week, you can just upload the audio or video file and Circleback will analyze it the same way. You can even paste a meeting link and Circleback will automatically join and handle the recording for you. The process is simple. Click New Meeting, choose the recording type, paste the meeting link, and you're done. Circleback joins as a separate participant, shows up in the participant list, and starts capturing the conversation immediately. What I really like is that nothing about the meeting itself changes. There's no awkward pause, no announcements, no robotic interruptions. It just sits there quietly in the background while you talk normally. Now, once the meeting ends, Circleback shows its real value. When you open a meeting inside Circleback, the first thing you see is a high-level overview at the top. This is a short summary that tells you what the meeting was about in just a few sentences. You don't have to scroll or skim. You immediately know what was discussed. Right below that, Circleback automatically breaks the conversation into structured topics. Instead of a massive wall of text, everything is grouped logically so you can jump straight to the section you care about. You also get the full transcript. It's clean, accurate, and properly labeled. Every line shows who said what, and it handles multiple speakers, different accents, and even technical conversations surprisingly well. Circleback supports over 100 languages, and the transcript is fully searchable. You can type in a keyword and instantly jump to the exact moment it was mentioned in the meeting, and the transcript isn't locked. You can edit it. If a name is wrong, or you want to clean up a sentence or add a note, you can do that directly. There's also built-in audio and video playback. Just click on any line in the transcript and you'll hear that exact moment from the meeting. All your recordings stay securely stored and accessible for a full year, which is great if you ever need to revisit old decisions. One of my favorite parts of Circleback is how it handles action items. When someone commits to something in a meeting, Circleback automatically turns that into a clean, structured task. You can instantly see who it's assigned to, what needs to be done, the context behind it, and even the deadline, all pulled straight from the conversation. And the best part is, everything's editable. You can change the assignee, tweak the deadline, or add more details, and it all updates instantly. Now, this tool really starts to shine once you've had multiple meetings. Instead of your notes being scattered across docs, emails, and random Slack messages, Circleback turns all your meetings into one searchable knowledge base. And this is where the Ask feature comes in. Inside the Ask section, you can talk to Circleback's AI using natural questions. For example, you can ask, "What did we decide about the top 5 commit conference announcements? Did anyone finalize the plan stage feature for commit?" Circleback searches across all your meetings, understands the context, and shows you the exact moments where those topics were discussed, with timestamps and direct links back to the transcript. It can also help draft follow-up emails, answer questions about action items, summarize key decisions, and even combine insights from multiple meetings. It honestly feels like an AI project manager that sat through every meeting and remembers everything perfectly. Sharing is also really smooth. You can generate a shareable link, send notes via email, or share the entire meeting inside Circleback. If you want to share a specific moment, you can right-click on the transcript and click Share Moment. That creates a link to that exact timestamp so your teammate can jump straight to the important part. So even if someone missed the meeting, they still know exactly what happened and what they're responsible for. Now let's talk about automations, because this is where Circleback goes from a note-taking tool to a real workflow engine. The idea is simple. After a meeting ends, Circleback can automatically trigger actions in other tools based on what was discussed. For example, every time you have a customer demo, you might want to send a summary to Slack and create follow-up tasks automatically. Let's build a real example. Say you want every customer demo or customer interview to post key customer details into Slack. First, you define when the automation should run. You can trigger it based on meeting tags like demo or customer interview. You can also add conditions based on participant names, meeting title, or duration. Next, you define what specific information you want to extract from the meeting. This is where you're essentially telling Circleback's AI, "These are the details I care about." You start by picking an insight type, like customer details, and then give it a simple name and description in plain language. After that, you list the exact things you want it to extract, but only if they're actually mentioned in the meeting. This could be the customer's company name, rough team size, whether they're already a customer, how they found you, or any other details that matter to you. Once this is set up, Circleback automatically generates these customer details after every matching meeting, so you don't have to dig through notes or transcripts to find them later. And finally, everything gets sent to a specific Slack channel. You can also choose to include the full meeting notes and action items if you want. Now your entire team instantly sees structured customer insights without waiting for follow-up emails. And if you want to go further, Circleback also connects with tools like Zapier and Make for more advanced workflows. Before we wrap up, there's one important thing we need to talk about: security and compliance. Circleback is fully SOC 2 Type 2 and HIPAA compliant. They follow strict security and availability standards. So, if you're working with regulated data or you need to prove strong security standards to your customers, Circleback has you covered. Now, let's head over to pricing. Circleback gives you a 7-day free trial where you can try the tool risk-free. Paid plans start at $25 a month. This gives you full access to Circleback's features, higher usage limits, and faster processing, which works well if you want consistent meeting notes and reliable AI insights. Overall, Circleback genuinely takes the stress out of meetings. It quietly records everything, organizes it cleanly, and makes it easy to find what actually matters later, especially if you run a lot of meetings and hate losing track of decisions and tasks. So try out Circleback AI using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.